All right, y'all. Welcome back. So, 2.2 5S FE on a 94 Camry. Just took out off the oil filter, and we removed the oil cooler. This guy right here. Let's throw this guy out. And checking for more leaks on this car. As you can see, the outer O-ring right here has come off or come up, it's just loose. So good thing we checked it, because this is with the outer and the inner O-ring, you're looking at $4. So it's a good thing we checked on that. This thing would have started leaking again. Also, when I opened this up, I found coolant kind of coming out. So, that should be good now with the valve job and a fresh head gasket and all that. But that's something to look out for. We're going to clean this unit up and make it look new. And then once we get those gaskets back on, we'll go from there. All right, y'all, there it is. We got the oil cooler on with the two O-rings, the inner, the outer. We got our center bolt in, torqued down, 58 pound-feet. We got this little support bolt down, this 12 millimeter, 5 pound-feet. Did not torque that. And then we got our filter on, put a little oil on it, just to lube it up a little bit, screw that on tight. And yeah, y'all, this project's coming along. Got the timing belt next. Got to get the back intake manifold squared away. We got the wire harness. We got the fuel rail. We got a lot of things coming in, but appreciate you guys checking out these videos, and see you in the next one.